Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. The purpose of making this video is to provide an outlook for tomorrow for Indian stock markets. First of all, we would be analyzing Nifty options open interest data. After that, we would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, 23rd June. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. The maximum level has shifted upwards to 15,700 level. So if market was to expire on 24th June around 15,700 levels, in that scenario, put and call option writers of 15,700 strike would be making profits, as call and put option buyers of 15,700 strike would see their options expiring worthless. If we see the overall open interest data for 24th June weekly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of calls are written at 15,900 strike today, and you will see that highest amount of puts, they were written at 15,800 strike today, and you will see overall highest amount of calls have been written at 16,000 strike and highest amount of puts have been written at 15,500 strike. So we are in a broad range of 500 points on the index, with 15,500 to the downside and 16,000 to the upside. And for the short term, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 15,900 strike. So for the short term, it is the 15,900 is likely to act as a resistance. And if we see the downside, you will see that highest amount of puts were written at 15,600 strike. So we are likely to trade in a 300 point range tomorrow. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame we are trading above the monthly open at 15,629 levels, and on weekly time frame again we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the weekly open of 15,525 levels. And if you see the daily time frame, today you will see that today we opened gap up, however we have closed below the opening print for the day. So on an intraday basis we were under control of sellers, however in terms of price structure we have made a higher high and a higher low. So based on the price structure, market is in a uptrend. So we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,772 we can trade towards 15,843 levels. Above that 15,895 levels and potentially 15,934 levels. And below 15,752 levels we can likely trade towards 15,713 levels, 15,665 and potentially 15,609 level. So broadly speaking, based on the options open interest, 15,600 is likely to act as a strong support for the index going forward, and the neutral price range for tomorrow will be 15,772 to 15,752, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now, we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are all inside candles on the daily time frame, and inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look to enter if either side of today's high-low range break in these stocks. Our first stock is D-Link India. So above 142.6, we'll look for buying opportunity in D-Link India, as it is in an uptrend, and it is trading above both its 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. Second stock is McDowell. Again, it is in an uptrend as it is trading above both 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 678.9 levels. Our third stock is Sun TV. It is in an uptrend based on the exponential moving averages as it is trading above 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 564.1 level in Sun TV. And our final stock for tomorrow is Zeal. And here you will see that even though it's in an uptrend overall based on the moving average crossover, However, it is trading below the 5-day exponential moving average, although it is above 20-day exponential moving average. So in Zeal, we'll look to trade if either side of the range breaks. So above 224 level, we look for buying opportunity with our full size in Zeal, and if it trades below 217.3, we'll look to establish a short position intraday in Zeal with half a normal position size. And I like to remind you that around 9:30 to 9:45 p.m. I would be sharing a stock watch list which would have a bias. It would either be long biased or short biased stock watch list, and it would be comprising of sectors that are relatively outperforming the index currently. And if I were to see the sectors that are underperforming right now, I see only FMCG sector which is currently underperforming the markets. However, that still doesn't warrant it to be selected for shorting at this point of time. So we would probably be having more long bias picks as opposed to short bias picks today. So do stay tuned around 9:45 p.m. when I would be sharing my blog post. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize. Above 15,772, we can potentially trade towards 15,895 levels, and below 15,752 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,665 level on the index. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 15,900 to the downside, 15,900 to the upside and 15,500 to the downside based on the options open interest data, and the max pain level is at 15,700 at this point of time. It is increasing. It was 15,600, then it rose to 15,650, and now it is 15,700. And our neutral stock watch list comprises of Zeal, D-Link India, McDowell and Sun TV, where we have already discussed levels where we would like to establish position in these stocks. And these stocks basically have formed an inside candlestick today. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.